Tumeona watu wengi zaidi, makampuni mbalimbali, hata zile za mbegu wameleta mbegu zao hapa, certified seeds, ndio waonyeshe wakulima wa hii region vile kulima vizuri. Ile kitu imenipendeza sana ni ile ukulima wa climate smart inafanyika siku hizi hii Kenya yetu, na wakulima tena wameanza kufundishwa vile kutumia teknolojia ndio wazalishe chakula ya kutosha ili tukue na ile tunaita food and nutrition security.
My name is Asami Kabue from Coca-Cola Marketing. Basically, we are very much grateful for being in Machakos SK Show, the year is 2026. For us, we're introducing our new Charge Energy drink, which is advised by the fact that we want to excite the market, giving our consumers more variety in terms of our brands, and making sure that we also target each and everyone that is in the market. Charge is the new energy drink that has two very exciting flavors. We've got
this year our show started on 3rd and it is ending on 7th June. And from what we have seen this year, we have had quite a number of new exhibitors who are doing it for the first time, and they cut across all the sectors, and that is one indication that from the time we were promoted to a national status, we have started attracting exhibitors from other regions.